Hello, and welcome back to the channel. IT Step by Step. Let me ask you this. Are you a big fan of technology and AI like me? Then you are going to love this video. This is the new reality, and I'm about to spill some major AI secrets. Okay, let's get started. And please, I want to hear your thoughts in the comments. First off, AI is basically telling us that nobody is teaching us how to work with it properly. What most people don't get is that AI is a direct mirror of your own clarity, your structure, and your level of thinking. Here's the thing, AI doesn't think it predicts. It doesn't understand. It just detects patterns based on the information you feed it. If you give it vague, lazy instructions, you're going to get average, uninspired results. But if you provide clear, structured instructions, you'll get strategic, high-quality output. Schools are now starting to teach something called prompt engineering. Companies are calling it AI workflow design. But the real skill behind all of this, structured thinking, that brings us to secret number 2. The best professionals don't just use AI, they design entire systems with it. Most people are just asking AI random questions, like it's a magic 8-ball. But high performers are doing something completely different. They define their desired outcome first. Then, they break that goal down into smaller, manageable steps. After that, they assign specific parts of the task to AI. Finally, they review and refine the output. Sound familiar? That's called delegation. Think about it. In major companies, marketing teams are using AI to generate first drafts of copy. HR departments are using it for screening summaries of candidates. Developers are getting debugging assistance from AI, and even executives are using it for decision simulations. But here's the real truth. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces disorganized, inefficient thinking. Be honest, don't you feel sometimes that now schools are falling behind, while companies are experimenting like crazy? Well, here's what's happening quietly, behind the scenes. Some universities now actually require AI-assisted assignments. Big companies are running internal AI bootcamps for their staff. Managers are even starting to measure what they call AI fluency in their employees. And the hard reality is that employees who don't adapt are being left behind. The new literacy isn't just about reading and writing anymore. It's about prompting and validating. So, what do we, as humans, need to master in this new era? AI is incredibly powerful. But to use it effectively, we must double down on our human skills, clear communication, and emotional intelligence. AI can't feel the subtle context of a situation like a human can. It cannot replace human judgment, and it certainly can't take responsibility for its actions. It's a competition between humans who know how to leverage AI and humans who don't. Now for the part they don't want you to know, but it's not some grand conspiracy. It's just simple reality. The advantage gap is widening, and it's widening fast. The people who are practicing their prompting skills, building AI workflows, automating repetitive mental tasks, and learning to ask better, more strategic questions are becoming 2 to 5 times faster and more effective than their peers. And yet, most people are still using AI like a slightly more advanced version of Google. Now, what's our role in all this? We're the translators. We're humanizing AI. We're teaching people how to think alongside AI, not just use it as a simple tool. And that skill is becoming incredibly rare and valuable. We need to understand that AI is not here to replace you. It's here to amplify how you think and how we learn. The real question is not, is it dangerous? The questions we should all be asking is, am I learning fast enough to work with it? This is all getting really fun, so make sure you don't miss the next video, where I'll dive into how companies are actually training their employees, the juicy part. This is happening right now, quietly shaping our future. I'll see you in the next video, called How Companies Are Already Training Team to Design Workflows with AI. Thank you for watching until the end.